Contouring has been around for a really long time, and thanks to Kim K, it's not going to go anywhere. So if you've always been wondering how to master this makeup technique, then I'm glad you clicked on this video. Hi guys, I'm Nia, and today I'm going to show you how to contour. But before that, I'm going to ask you to do something which, the word starts with the letter S and it ends with the letter E. Let me give you a clue. How about subscribe? Go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and also tap on the bell icon so that you can stay updated every time we post a new video. Now, before we get into the how to contour bit, why don't we do a bit of a recap on what is contouring? So if I had to explain to you in the simplest way, then contouring is a makeup technique that gives shape to certain areas of the face, which in turn enhances your facial features. Now you may ask, which are the areas of the face that you can contour? To name a few: jawline, sides of the temples, sides of the nose and the hollows of the cheek. Okay, so now that we've got the what and which bit of contouring, let's move on to the how bit of contouring. Now for the how bit, you will obviously need tools and makeup products. So for contouring, you will need a lighter shade of concealer and a darker shade of concealer. When selecting products, I prefer liquid products. What I love about them is that they instantly melt into the skin. The best thing is that they provide the most natural effect as well. So today I'm going to use my trusty liquid concealer. These are the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Liquid Concealers in the shade Sand and Cocoa. I love these concealers because they have a soft matte oil-free formulation and are extremely lightweight, which means it's going to blend into my face seamlessly. Plus, these concealers have primer infused in it, which means that once it sets into the skin, it is not going to move around. The reason for using lighter and darker shades of concealer is that the contrast in these two colors is going to help define my facial features. But to achieve this effect, placement is key. Speaking of which, placement is crucial in contouring and it really depends on your face shape. So ensure to evaluate your face before contouring. To blend these products into the skin, you will also need setting of finishing powder, an angled brush and a beauty sponge to soften any harsh lines. Okay, so I'm starting with my cheekbones first as per my face shape, which is slightly round and wide. So starting from the edge of the eye, I'll move inwards while going down straight on the center of the cheeks. Doing this is going to cut out the wideness of my cheeks. To contrast the contour, I'm going to dot a bit of the lighter concealer right below the darker contour line that you can see in the middle of the face, and additionally even on the upper side. Trust me, once I blend this in, I'm going to have those chiseled cheeks and soaking you. For the jawline, I'm going to dot the darker concealer starting from the edge of the earlobe all the way along the periphery of the jawline. Repeat the same on the other side. Ensure to push your face back while placing lines or dots using the darker concealer on the jawline area. If you have a double chin, then apply the contour product right below the jawline. Now let's get on to nose contouring. I'm going to start by dotting the darker contour starting from the inner part of the eyebrow all the way down till the tip of the nose. Repeat the same on the other side. Once you reach the tip, make a V shape on the tip of the nose. I'm going to contrast the contour by dotting the lighter shade of concealer right on the center of the bridge of the nose. Additionally, also draw a V-shaped dot in between the two eyebrows. And lastly, for the forehead, using the darker concealer, create an outline starting from the hairline to create a half moon. Now repeat the same on the other side. So we've laid the foundation of the contour, it's now time to blend all this in. So to blend out the lighter shade of concealer, I'm going to use a beauty sponge, and to blend out the darker shade of concealer, I'm going to use an angled blending brush. Now when you're blending out the nose area, use a smaller angled blending brush to achieve precision. Once you're done blending this contour, now you need to set it with the loose powder. Now this step is really important because this is going to prevent your contour from moving around. So I'm going to use the Lakme 925 Natural Finishing Powder. I'm just going to dip the beauty sponge into this powder and then I'm going to roll and dab it into the skin. I precisely like to use it on the under eye area and right below the cheek contour. This powder, you will notice, is super lightweight and it's going to prevent any kind of midday makeup meltdowns, which is quite common thanks to humidity. So guys, I hope you like this step-by-step tutorial on how to contour. Make sure to give it a try and let me know how it worked out for you in the comment section below. Now before I go, don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. Of course, with that, ring the bell icon so that you can stay updated with all our latest videos. Until next time, bye guys.